currently recording. I'm at my friend's house right now. I'm gonna sleep over, so if you hear him in the background, don't really mind. My goal is to win every map, every single map. Canyons, not city. Okay, let's get this. I'll count it. I'm counting it as a W. As the last monkey who wasn't tagged.
Oh my god, random.
Let's go. Okay, canyons.
Tell me, are you? Is it kind of sad?
Let's
5 minutes later.
Guys, where's blue? Where's blue? Darn it! No, I need to win.
20 minutes later.
Yes! Okay, canyon's done. Canyon's done. Let's go. Okay, canyon's done.
Actually, you need to get
Okay, see you guys in beach.
No, you dropped me on the side.
Go. Let me tag the last person. Basically, the person was an absolute motorboat, so it's very hard for me to tag them. Hey, stop.
Where'd he go?
Guys, get tagged already, please.
I wanted to stay with you
Crap. No! Are you serious? I need to tag this last kid. Last one. Please. Yes! I tagged him. Let's go. Let's go.
He would have done it. He would have been dead anyways. I was right here.
Yes. Beach map. Done.
Come on. Does the game hate me that much? And it makes me interest my hands.
Yes. See you guys in the final map, mountains. Final map. Let's get this.
Anyone wanna play
Last person.
games?
Where's the last kid? Okay. New match. Hey, what's up, bro?
Anyone wanna play mini games?
Oh, bet. Thank you.
Alright, let's play hide and seek.
Mini games kid jinx me.
You.
Yo, I'm not the mini games kid.
Hey, party head.
Anyone wanna play mini games? Okay, who the fuck is that?
Yes.
Some
Come on.
games kid. Actually, no, it goes.
Am I the last person?
Anyone wanna play?
Yes! I tagged him. Yes. Let's go. Challenge is complete. 12 midnight playing gorilla tag challenge is complete. Here is our new sponsor.
Subscribe to Cookie God.